In primetime news this evening, police arrest suspect in missing teacher case. Family demands answers after a detainee is killed by a cellmate. And visitors demand justice after being robbed at a local hotel.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, we've been seeing some increases in the earnings locally from the mining industry, and limestone is big on the agenda. But is there a policy that's going to guide all of this growth? So we understand that wants to come. I'll have the details later on.
Thank you, Keys. And Jordan Fort is here with a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Jordan?
Well, Archie, we may be surprised by the meteoric rise of Jamaica's triple jump sensation, but not his mentor. And it's a dream come true for a reggae boy who's been called up for the World Cup qualifiers. Those and more in Primetime Sports Monday.
And Romain is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. We have been having some shower and thunderstorm activity affect most of the island today, and we do expect some more activity tomorrow as there is a tropical wave expected in the area.
So good news today.
Yes.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what's your reaction to Oblique Seville's world's leading time at the Racers Grand Prix on the weekend?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.